Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new outdoor rocking chair set with table. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. Alright, as we're putting the outdoor rocking chairs and table to set together, it was actually a lot simpler than it looks. Everything comes labeled clearly, and the hardware pack even includes extra screws, which is always nice. The material is HDPE. That's a heavy duty weather resistant plastic that won't crack, fade, or peel like wood. It also means no sanding, painting, or staining ever. You just clean it with soap and water and it's good as new. Each piece fits together snugly, and I like that the rocker base uses thick reinforced joints. Once you tighten everything, there's no wobble or squeak. It's built up to hold up to 380 pounds, so the structure is solid. The assembly took about 30 minutes in total for both chairs and the table, and it's the kind of setup you can do solo, but I did have some help here with my dad. Even during the build, you can tell the finish is smooth. No splinters, no rough edges, and it already has that matte wood grain texture that looks like real timber. Now that they're done, you can really see the design. It mix between a classic style and a modern rocking chair. The backrest has that tall, slated look for support, but the angle is slightly reclined for a comfortable lean. The seats are wide and ergonomic, so you don't feel cramped even if you're sitting for a while. The rocking chair motion is smooth, not too steep, just enough to relax without feeling like you'll tip backward. The small matching table is a perfect height between the two chairs, great for coffee, drinks, or even a small planter. You can tell the set was designed for balance. It feels sturdy, but not overly heavy, so you can move it around your porch or patio easily. It's UV resistant, moisture proof, and doesn't absorb heat like a metal furniture would. So even if you've been sitting out in the sun, it won't burn your skin when you sit down. You can leave this outside year round without worrying about weather damage, rain, snow, or sun. It's made for it. Here's us enjoying the chairs out in our front porch. They are really made for those quiet moments. The rocking motion is calm and steady, perfect for the morning coffee or winding down at night. The armrests are wide, which makes it easy to hold a drink, a book, or even your phone without feeling cramped. We both notice how comfortable they are even without cushions. The curved seat design supports your legs and lower back naturally. The table fits perfectly between the two chairs, keeping everything within reach. If you like outdoor setups that are easy to maintain but still look high-end, these really deliver. It adds that cozy, timeless feel to the patio without needing constant upkeep. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for some new outdoor rocking chairs with table set, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.